Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with Robert to get started with T-SQL course. In this lecture I'm just going to show you how to download and go into SQL Server Management Studio. So if you open Google, you can say SQL Server Management Studio download. SQL Server Management Studio is the interface, the program that we're going to use to connect to and manage our databases, and also the program where we will write our SQL queries. So the easiest way is just to go into Microsoft.com, and I'm going to leave a link in the description also. But here, download SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS. You scroll down a bit, and you can see here we have the free download for SQL Server Management Studio SSMS 19.1. You click on it, and it's going to give you a .exe file, which you will click on and install. Once you've done that, you can, when you open the program, you will see this interface here. So it's going to, if you can choose anything else, choose database engine. If you only have a SQL Server database engine installed, this one should be grayed out. If it's not, then choose the server type. Here is a database engine. The server name, you need to provide a server name that you had when you installed SQL Server engine on your computer. So type that name there, your computer name. And then for the authentication, you should use Windows authentication. And in the options here, there is not something you should modify here, I believe. So the only thing you should do is just then click on connect. And when you connect there, you should see this interface here. You will have the databases, security, server objects, and so on. And so up here, you will see your server name. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial.